Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Okay, you can. Hold on, wait, give me a second. Just give me 1 second. Hello! Okay. So I will be exploring the new moon, the UFO update. Yeah. And sadly, my friend isn't here. He's gone. I don't know, his VR's broken or something. So yeah. Oh, wait, I don't have any rocks. No. Oh my. I need to go mining. I'll be back. Actually, never mind. I think I found a way. There's this big, there's this big rocket. So, do you think I should click that button? Right there, that button. Oh my god. Peace out. Bro. Give me my camera. Alright. Look, there's a big... Okay, bro. Can I fly up? Okay, should I go up? What is this thing doing? Why is it moving? What's this? I'm flying! What's this? Bro, what is that? I'm going in here. Great. Oh, what is this? Woo. Wait, can I grab those boxes? Oh no. I'm going all the way up. So what do I do? Do I go to the blue? Oh. What's that? What's that? Kaboom! Is he dead? Oh no. Okay, now he's dead. Bro! Good job. An orange. That's yummy. I should bring him. Where'd my orange go? Should I open it? Yeah, I'm opening it. Bro, I'm gonna get lost. Alright, I'm gonna make a run for it. What? What was that? There's something on the roofs? Oh, I'm bringing a flashlight this time. Oh, I'm done. Okay. Just in case I'll bring this. I'll also get what should I get? Let me get a bubble staff. Weapon of the day. Bubble staff. Wait, how am I supposed to? Alright, I'm back. Attack me, thing. The boats. Nothing will hurt me now. Watch this. Chow chow. Yeah. Oh yeah, with should I go the other way? Alright, the guy's here again, isn't he? What is that? I'll go this side now. Starbucks. Make sure there's nothing on the roofs. There's something here. What's that? I'm going all the way up. Bro. I'm scared. Why does it keep making these noises? Alright, I'm gonna go. Make a whole lap. Am I just stuck in here? I'm stuck in here. What about the bottom? No! I'm skipping. What is this? What the hell? Oh, I'm supposed to wait. Gotta wait. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Where am I? Ouch, ouch. I'm so dumb. Why am I getting... Okay, what is that? Like... Flash it. Oh, it's right there, isn't it? Let me out. Let me out! You got red bubbles this time. What do these bubbles even do? Alright, now I'm going in. Oh, he's right there. Where'd he go? I made it. What is this? What that? Alright. I should have got it in the bag. How much does this sell for? Whoa, 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 whoa! There. Okay, phew, I'm safe. What's Coda? Is Coda the creator of the game? Pretty sure it is. This is the only way for me to go. Just in case, not letting anyone in. I'm sorry. Alright. Should I bubble it? Where'd he go? Go. Who's that? Someone's angry. Please. Oh, someone's angry. Like, it's not that deep. I'm angry. How do we get up now? Kinda trapped. Can I step on this stuff? Yeah, I can get up. Nice. Can I triangle there? I don't want to go back up after what I'm hearing. So we need a key. What key? That looks pretty cool. Oh, is it that thing that like glitches my hand out? Is that the key? Oh my god, not again. Oh, so whenever I touch the electrocution, do they get angry? There's levels in the game? Look at that. Oh my. I'm following him. I'm leaking his information, where he lives. So he lives in here, guys. His IP is 123. If you guys didn't know. Anyway, that's it for the video, cause I can't find anything else, but I might make a second video with my friend maybe if he comes on. So like and subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed. Bye bye.